Welcome to Coach Case Studies. This week I'm going to share with you how I analyse a start position from front on using the Onform app. The first thing that I need to express is how important it is that your camera angles are consistent. If you're going to make any comparison, you must have a consistent place that you shoot from. Now, I'll start by drawing this. I'll draw a box. I'll drop a box down from the player's shoulders. I want that to run into his feet. I want to see the knees above the ankles, the pelvis above the knees, and the shoulders above the pelvis. And finally, I would like to see the head centered on top of that structure. I'm also going to look at foot flare. Is it appropriate for how the player needs to move? And I'm also going to check tilts by just making sure that there's as much space between the hips on either side of the body and you can see the belt buckle through the middle. Now, if we're going to be discussing start position from front on, we also need to discuss ball position. So the corridor that I work within here is anywhere from the sternum to the left armpit while the ball is sat on the ground. Obviously, how the player moves and the shot shape they want to hit will help you identify the most appropriate ball position for that player. Now, I must stress that this is a set of baselines. None of these are absolutes. All of the components I've discussed give you a huge degree of flexibility to help your players, but you need to have a baseline to start from.